Greetings world, this is Bescenta and I'm on my music journey to the Jamaica Reggae Party. Alright, it's a Reggae Vibes production. Place to be, Negril. Yeah man. Drifters Bar.
In a Drifters Bar and Grill. Negril.
It's gonna be on the 20th of April 2024, so make it a date and done.
I am ready. Are you ready? For universal love without apology. Love is the remedy. I am ready. For universal love without apology.
Alright, it's gonna be a live band show. Yeah. Fire will be burning and blazing by Bescenta alongside Turbulence. You don't know how that go. Yeah man, Fiyaneer. Yeah man, Dameon, Gayle and Luddy song. Affordable show, 3,000 Jamaican, alright? Yeah man, it's an early show also, so just turn out. Yeah man, family settings. You don't know. Bescenta will be burning the fire man, a full set. Give thanks and praise to see a brand new day. Name it. Hits after hits, alright? Just turn out in the tens and thousands. Alright, the Jamaica Reggae Party. Don't miss it. Negril come alive. Might 20th.
Negril, 20th of April 2024.
Sponsored by Rooms on the Beach Negril. Endorsed by Mellow FM. Music and MC by JNR International. Domino tournament starts at 2 p.m. Kingston versus Negril. Cash prize and other surprises. Showtime is from 4 to 7 p.m.